Matunga, often known as the mini Tamil Nadu of Mumbai, is alive with conversations around the upcoming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. Though far from home, the Tamil diaspora here is closely tracking political development in their home state. Actor turned politician Vijay's entry into politics has added a new dimension, with many hoping that his party, the Tamaraga Vetri Karagam, marks its electoral debut on a winning note.
वो क्या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नंबर 1 हो गया। अभी वो क्या करना चाहता है, पब्लिक को अच्छा करने का, उसके लिए वो पॉलिटिशियन में आ गया। वो अच्छा करेगा।
तमिलनाडु में क्या रहा, विजय आएगा, जरूर आएगा, आना पड़ेगा। आएगा ना, पब्लिक का सेवा करेगा। इतना पैसा छोड़ के इधर आने की उसकी जरूरत नहीं है। पब्लिक की सेवा करने की वजह से वो आ रहा है। आएगा ना, बहुत अच्छा काम करेगा। कौन आएगा तो? विजय।
अभी विजय का टाइम है, विजय आएगा। विजय आएगा। अभी अभी विजय के थोड़ा पावर है, एक्टर, और वो अभी नया लुक को पूरा जूना हो गया, वो किया ये किया, अभी नया आके कुछ भी करेगा। नया लोग को मौका देना चाहिए।
At the same time, others believe that governance requires administrative experience, not just popularity.
इसी कोई भी रहने दो, वो जमाने से बहुत एक्टर लोग ही आते थे। तमिलनाडु का हिस्ट्री देखिए, उस जमाने से फिल्म रिलेटेड लोग ही आए, और ऐसा नहीं है, उन लोग भी अच्छा काम भी किया, लेकिन सब लोग नहीं कर सकते वो काम। उस हिसाब से मेरे को लग रहा है कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जिधर रहते हैं ना, वो देश अच्छा आगे आता है। आप डेवलप कंट्रीज किधर भी देखो, जापान, ऐसा डेवलप कंट्रीज में सब एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को लगता है।
Beyond personalities, issues such as farmers' welfare, water management, and infrastructure also feature in political conversations, not just as complaints, but in the form of solutions to long standing problems.
Now at taluka level, have storage tanks. Government lands are there, have storage tanks at each taluka level, maybe half a dozen villages together, one for human beings, one for cattle. So in case excess rainwater, whatever you got it, it should be directed into the storage tanks, so that even if there is 1 year there is a monsoon is deficient, they have sufficient water to drink.
Pride in Tamil culture and traditions is also a recurring theme, with people voicing hope that the next government will put a lot more focus on it than has been the case so far.
I think Tamil Nadu, it's a very ancient place. It has got its very own beautiful traditions. The main beauty of Tamil Nadu is its temples. Now, unfortunately, temples are under the government control. Now, that is one issue where when you visit the temples, a lot of things are there, but the temple could be maintained in a much better way. That is one thing which I would love any government which is going to come. I hope they take it up in a very serious way.
From flower vendors to restaurant owners, many of whom have spent a lifetime in Matunga, their votes are in Maharashtra. However, their emotional and political allegiance remains firmly rooted in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil community here continues to follow political developments closely, showing that distance may separate them from their home state, but not from its politics. Polling for the 234-seat Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly will be held on April 23rd, with counting of votes scheduled for May 4th.